Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get to Kahoot from Canvas. We're going to go to my homepage, just like always, start at term 4. That's going to be Old Faithful throughout this whole time. So it's going to bring you to the term 4 distance learning module. If you haven't already done your quiz, make sure you do that, please. And you're going to click on where it says Kahoot Thursday at 12. So you'll click on that. Now, for this, you're going to need 2 things. So unfortunately, if you don't have these 2 things, it would be difficult to do it. You're going to need something with a web camera that you can join in on the video chat, just kind of like we practiced today for those of you who joined. So like a computer, a tablet, laptop, anything that will allow you to see my screen, because I'm going to share my screen with you. Instead of seeing my face, you'll see my screen. And that's going to show you the questions and what your possible answers are, just like whenever we're in the classroom. This will show you kind of what would be up on the whiteboard, okay? Then you're going to need a phone or another device, and this is where you will actually input your Kahoot game code, and this is where you're going to choose your answers. So this is where you choose if you want the green square, the blue square, red, yellow, if you remember how Kahoot works. When you are ready to begin, so this will start tomorrow, tomorrow, Thursday at 12. You're going to click right here where it says Join Kahoot Microsoft Teams Meeting, okay? And so that's going to just follow the steps from there. And then you'll click Join Now when you're ready to get started, okay? And so this will bring you to our class video chat so that you can start the game. All right, so hope you guys can join. Tell your friends, let them know. And then when you get on that video chat is when you will see the Kahoot game code. All right, see you guys tomorrow at 12.